Hi everyone! I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2025? Yeah, 2025. I can't believe I'm saying that. But let's unbox, let's see what we've got. Let's see if we got lucky. Shall we? I love the artwork for this year. The Lucky Duck. Lucky Bag 2025. This bag is proof you are one lucky duck, filled with surprise beauty favorites and a little extra magic. It's sure to bring all the good vibes as you waddle into the new year. Now the artwork is by Julia Peng, and I love this artwork. I really, really do. Okay, so there's that. This is my first time opening it. It's been sitting. I got sick, so I just sat in here and get a chance to even touch it. So see, it's still sealed. So I'm excited. So let's see. Let's see. Ta-da! You're one lucky duck, packed with a splash of joy, sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Ooh. What's great is when I open it, the paper, every part of it, I'm saving this. I do not care. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I need to save it. All right, so let's be surprised together. And let's see. There we go. I like to share this experience as much as with you as I can. All right, so I'm not looking because you can't really see. So I'm just gonna put it here. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull and share. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good? Okay. Starting off with Good Molecules. This is a lightweight daily moisturizer. This is formulated with shea butter, avocado seed oil, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. So the great thing about Good Molecules is it's a to-the-point brand. Simple, to the point, no nonsense kind of good for all skin types. And I do love that they always list their ingredients. It's a no nonsense, like I said, kind of gig. And here it is. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. Nice packaging, as Good Molecules always does. You can use it for day or night, so that's wonderful. This I'm giving to my daughter. She likes this brand a lot. All right, next. Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Filmstar Bronze and Glow. This, my loves, is in light medium, the bronzer, and then Claire or Moyen for the highlight. I used to use the darker one. This is not going to work for me. Here is what it looks like. This seems to be the smaller one. Yeah, because I used to have the bigger one. So here is packaging, and here she is. Has a beautiful mirror. This I've had a good experience with because like I said, I used to have, and it was a lot bigger. This I'm going to put on the side because I love giving back to you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to make a pile of what I'm going to be giving back to you guys. And down below in the description box, I will include how I'd like for you to not enter, because it's not like that, but I'll tell you what you need to do so that I know you're interested in the products. Okay? It'll be down below in the description box. All right, next. I'm not looking. Okay. You Beauty. I only have one other product from them, and I'll just tell you right now, this is going to be in the upcoming favorites. I love this. Oh, this is the tinted hydrator. This is amazing. Okay, sorry. Back to this. This is the Plasma Lip Compound. I have wanted to try this. I love lip products as a dry lip girly. So let's check this out. It's in the shade Rose. Let's unbox her together. Okay, packaged nice and securely. I like that. It's got that kind of applicator. Hold on, what is this? Is this like a lip serum? Hold on. Transformative lip treatment formulated to visibly reshape and plump lips. I like lip plumpers because I'm wearing matte lipstick today. Only because it's the Westman Affiliate and it's creamy, but you can see I have a lot of lines. So I like using lip plumping products because it smooths that, but okay. They have a ton of shades, yeah. This has some sort of technology that claims it's going to help regulate cell activity and increase hydration. Listen, yeah, I'm excited about this. That is for sure. So check out that applicator. Let's see the color. Ooh, that's pretty. I know it's a lip thing. It's not going to have much pigment, but yeah, okay, cool. This, I can tell you right now, I'm really looking forward to trying. I have wanted to try that for really a while now, so I'm excited about that. All right, next. I'm not looking. Oh. Okay, what is this? Oh, VERB. This is their dandruff shampoo. It's got salicylic acid and it's clinical strength. I have tried this brand before. It's a good brand. I like it. You guys know I'm kind of stuck for the past couple of years using the exact same hair care products. So this I'm putting in the pile for one of you. I like how our pile is building up for you guys. Next. Okay. What is this? Y'all, I have it in my hair. I'm just going to take a few out of my hair draw. I love these hair scrunchies. They're silk hair scrunchies. They don't tug on your hair. They don't pull your hair. I love these. So this is the Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. Now, I will say that over time they do stretch a little bit, but you know the trick, how to make them shrink. It's the elastic. You just put it in the hot water and it'll shrink back. So I love these, and I'm actually really excited to put this in the pile for one of you guys because you're going to love it too. So that is going in my pile for one of you guys. The pile's getting big. I love it. I'm not looking, but I'm trying to feel. Oh, there's like a big thing over here. I don't know what this is. Okay, what is it? It's so pretty. Okay. Le PRUNIER, established in 1916. This is the Plumbody Hydrating Antioxidant Body Cream. Oh, wow. Discover the power of plum. Reimagined as Plumbody. A clinically proven velvety body cream to immerse the skin in antioxidant-rich, intelligent hydration. Powered by Midnight Myrrh and patented plum extract exclusive to the Le PRUNIER, known to help visibly decrease redness, dryness, and flakiness while fighting free radicals and improve skin elasticity. The powerhouse helps smooth and decrease fine lines along the neck, décolleté, and body. So this is body and face? Hold on. It helps awaken fatigued skin while smoothing and firming. Clean, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, yada, yada, yada. Oh, nice. Very, very nice packaging. You can tell there's some good stuff. So much of whatever our family does depends on our beautiful earth. From start to finish, our products remain ethically, eco-friendly, and clean so that you can reap the benefits in every last drop. I love that. Okay. Very, very, very nice packaging. Nicely sealed. I don't want to open it because I am going to give this to you. I'm putting it in the pile. But this is nice. This is nice. I'm very tempted to keep it for myself, but I'm going to give it to you because you deserve it. There's also a paper thing down there too. So let's put this back. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, we've got some nice goodies so far. What do we think? I think so. So far, so good. All right, next. All right, I lifted up the bag so that I don't have to keep like, this, I know what this is. This is a brush. A GOSS, the F5. I love this brush. I actually have multiples. Where is it? I think I washed it. Hold on. I'm gonna try to find it so I can show it to you. So here it is. I got a clean one, and I also have a dirty one. But this replaced, in my humble opinion, the F5 replaced the number 14. Okay, they're very similar. This is my favorite blush brush. This also works great for highlight. This also works great if you want to just dust some powder. You use your brushes how you want. They're great. So this one I'm going to give to one of you guys. You guys, I love my GOSS brushes. They are little investments, and I've had them for years, and I love them. And yeah, I don't need any more brushes. I've been working on that. But yeah, you now get to have one of my favorite brushes, the Wayne Goss F5. Putting that in the pile. All right, next, I'm just gonna pull the bag. I'll grab the smaller thing first. VISEART. They make outstanding eyeshadow palettes. So this is, what one is this? I don't know, we gotta open it. Structure, Brow, and Shadow? What is this? Love VISEART's packaging. Look at that. So nice. So there are creams in here and shadows. 15 shades of brown curated to frame and tame brows, hairlines, and more. Oh yeah, so you can totally use this on your hair. Honestly, you can use the shadows in here on your eyes too. This is a beautiful color story. And again, you have creams over here and then the shadows. Nice. Yes, this is for you. Put this right back nicely so that I don't mess it up. This is nice. And our final goodie. Let's see. Ooh, it's from DANESSA MYRICKS. Love her stuff. This is the Groundwork Blooming Romance. This palette you use all over your face. Literally. Face, eyes, brows, lips, everything. This, she has 2 of them. I actually have them. So yes, you'll be getting this one. I'm not even going to open it. I'm not even going to open it. See, I have them. I love these. These are great because they're literally everything you need all in one. So this one in particular is the Defining Neutrals. It's kind of similar to that VISEART one. One side is like a putty cream and the other side is a shadow. So these work beautifully all over the face. I have thoroughly enjoyed these. It's a great concept because I love all around products that make everything so much easier. But the one that you will be getting and the one that I got in my lucky bag is this one. The color story is gorgeous. So you have blushes, eyeshadows, lip, everything, literally everything. So yay, I get to give this to you. Beautiful products. So quick recap, and I also want to make sure you get to see all the things that you'll be getting. I am keeping these 2 products. I'm going to keep the Good Molecules. I'm actually going to give this to my daughter. The Good Molecules Moisturizer and the U Beauty Lip Product. I am keeping these. Very excited to dabble into this and obviously give this to my little peanut. And then the rest of the products are for you. So the DANESSA MYRICKS Groundwork Blooming Romance palette. One of my favorite brushes from Wayne Goss, the F6. And again, this is from the new line because he redid all his brushes. Another favorite, the Silk Scrunchie. I love this color too. It's so pretty. So pretty. This is a VISEART brow palette, but you could totally use these on the eyes too. This body cream, but then it said you could use it on your décolleté, so an all-around product. The Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow. Yeah. And then the shampoo from VERB. Great goodies. Obviously, I would love to keep everything and try everything. There's one thing I already have. I can always use more of these. Cannot get enough of my Wayne Goss brushes, but I love taking this opportunity to give to you. So again, check down below. I'll have details on how I'd like to hear you would like these products. I'm gonna make it nice and simple. This is not like a competition or anything like that. I usually have my daughter randomly pick a comment that is interested, and that's how we do it. Yeah, she loves doing that. She loves helping me. So yes. So those are all my goodies from my 2025 Beautylish Lucky Bag. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.